Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best iPad stand cases in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Lamicall S Adjustable Tablet Stand. This is our top pick for the iPad. Its sturdy aluminum alloy frame and adjustable positioning make it a great stand for using around the house or in the office. This stand lifts iPads a few inches off the desk, reducing neck strain. Prop up your tablet to read, watch TV shows, follow a recipe, or use your iPad like a computer with a wireless keyboard and mouse setup. Our tester noted that it supports both landscape and portrait modes, and there's a cutout along the bottom edge that lets you plug in and charge your device when the iPad is oriented vertically. That bottom edge is also lined with a soft rubber material to prevent scratches and stop your device from sliding around when it's in the stand. This stand is lightweight, at about 5 ounces, and has a rubber cushion on the bottom that keeps it firmly anchored where you set it down. It's compatible with tablets and phones that measure between 4 and 13 inches, which includes most iPhones and iPads. But be advised that devices larger than 12 inches, such as the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, become quite tippy in portrait mode. It also can't fit devices thicker than 18 millimeters, which could be an issue if you have a protective case on your tablet. Number 2. Our second best pick is Amazon Basics Adjustable Tablet Stand. It makes the best budget tablet stand we could find. Lightweight and compact when folded, this tablet stand is nonetheless sturdy when opened. In our testing, the non-skid material on the base and on the adjustable arms keeps the easel and iPad stable even when handling. The arm has a pivot point in the middle that can provide a variety of viewing angles. Even at an upright angle, iPads remain firmly seated in 2 deep grooves on the base. Made of durable plastic and priced affordably, this tablet stand can be tossed in a backpack without a second thought. This budget-friendly iPad stand is super compact and compatible with both phones and tablets that measure from 6 to 12 inches. This stand folds down to a very compact size, making it the perfect option to throw in a bag and take with you. The ultra-lightweight design is both an advantage and a disadvantage. On the one hand, it makes this stand portable. On the other hand, it's an entirely plastic build that isn't as durable as a metal stand. Number 3. Our third best pick is OMOTON T1 Adjustable Tablet Stand. This tablet stand is perfect for anyone who wants to use and charge their iPad at their desk most of the time. Its selling point is its anti-skid rubber base with nano-absorption material, guaranteed not to slip, even at a 75-degree angle. That said, the iPad stand, which consists of durable, lightweight aluminum, is hefty enough on its own not to move around. According to our tester, the OMOTON T1 adjustable tablet stand is great for desktop use despite its weight. Plus, you can adjust the product for multiple viewing angles. Designed to lift iPads while remaining stable, the stand has a low center of gravity and rubberized base that keeps it from tipping or sliding. Charging cables can pass through cutouts in the metal to reach the iPad in either portrait or landscape mode. This is available in 6 colors, so it will complement any home office. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is the Ipevo PadPillow Stand for iPad. If you like to set your iPad on your lap, then a big aluminum stand is not what you're looking for. This is perfect for relaxed browsing and watching, whether you're laying on the couch, stretched out on the floor, or sitting up in bed. Its soft pillow design is comfortable to rest on your legs or stomach and can easily move to a desk if you need to get work done. The unique design also unfolds to support different viewing angles. It can even hold a wireless keyboard, instantly transforming the PadPillow into a comfortable lap desk for typing. It works with any kind of tablet, phone, or e-reader. You can even use it to read books when you've had too much screen time. The cover is made from 100% cotton denim that can be removed and washed by hand if needed. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is 12 South Compass Pro for iPad. This is a sleek-looking iPad stand that folds down flat for easy transport. Though surprisingly heavy for its size, the Compass Pro tablet stand is a great portable option. When entirely folded, the stand has a low profile that can fit in almost any pocket. This tablet stand has a unique design reminiscent of a drafting compass. Small plastic feet keep iPads firmly seated on the tablet, and the tablet pivots around its back leg rather than falling over. The stand can be adjusted to 2 different viewing angles, one of which is for typing or writing, the other of which is for hands-free use and viewing. According to our tester, the adjustable back leg gives you 3 different options for viewing angles: a vertical display mode, an angled desktop mode that's perfect for use with a wireless keyboard, and a typing/drawing mode that is nearly horizontal. These options make the Compass Pro a versatile accessory for your iPad's many different functions. When you're on the go, it folds up flat and can be carried in its own protective sleeve. The stand is a little on the heavy side at about half a pound, but not so heavy that it'll be uncomfortable to carry around. It's available in both black and silver. With its sleek design, the 12 South Compass Pro is sure to turn some heads. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.